to convert PDF file into Word file. So without further delay or wasting your time, let's get into the video. But before that, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And just to let it works for all devices, either you are using Android, iOS, Windows, or whatever, it works for all. So without further delay, let's get started to the video. So first of all, you have to go to this website. This is amazing tinywow.com. Go to this website and you will find this all the stuff or tools, free tools related to PDF from here. Okay, this is amazing website, and so all you have to do is tap on this PDF tools icon or button, or you can just search here PDF tool. So that's your choice. You have lots of other free stuff there. This is the free one. I hope you are getting value from this video. If you get value from this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel so we can see what to convert our PDF file into Word. So tap on this icon PDF to Word. From here, upload your from this your mobile. You can see I have this one PDF one file. I'm converting it. I'm running over. Just download it. If you like, subscribe to my channel and help me to reach more subscribers. Thank you. We'll meet you on my next video.